Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to CarMax. And today I'm going to review Nissan Altima. Just take a look at it. As usual, starting with the key fob, press lock, unlock options. Then if you hold this button, the trunk will be opened. Coming to the headlights, there is a LED projector light, and down there you get the fog light. Here the indicator light, and all the way coming here they are given a stylish grill, cross grills. Then here there's a gap for airflow. And you have sensors also, front sensors 1 and 2. Then coming to these sides, you get your 17-inch alloy wheels. Coming to this side, as you saw in the previous videos, this also has a keyless entry option. Then here is the back door, and at the left side you get your fuel opener, left side of the car. Then here at the back, it also looks stylish. See these lights, and here also you get two sensors, one here at the left and one at the right. And this is Nissan Altima, the back side of the car. And here you can unlock it with the remote, or you can press this button. The car unlocks, you can enter. All the way coming here, again as same, power windows, power locks. Then here the mirror controllers, here handle, and here is the lock. And now we'll see how the startup is showing. As same, place your feet on brake, press the start button, and yeah. Oh, see there, Altima is coming. Coming to the interior, the steering wheel, you have the source button, then enter. You can swipe up or down. Here is the back button, and here is volume increase and decrease button. In the center you get Nissan logo, and here is the cruise control options: on, off, cancel. You can raise your speed, decrease your speed. This is called decline, and this is voice assist. All the way going here, you get your stability on or off button, and this is for opening trunk. And down there is a fuel opener and bonnet opening button. And see here, this button, right? Instead of handbrake lever here, they have kept in the leg. If you press this, the brake will be released, and you should press again to put the brake. These are the indicators button, and here is wiper switches, and here you get a storage box. Oh my god. Coming to the gear, you have P, R, N, D, DS. Okay. If you want to change the gear, place your foot on the brake, and you should hold this button, and you should change the gear. And D. Or if you put in the car, as usual, the back camera pops up. Now I'll put it at D, and it's showing the FM channel which are currently you are on. Again, here is the hazard switch here, and these vents are looking stylish. And then here's the volume controller. You can turn on radio, turn off radio by using this button. Here's the AC controllers. Yeah, these and all. And here's a CD port also. And here you get your aux cable or a USB port, and there you get a charger port. Here I forgot to say that you have two cup holders here. 1, 2. Yeah, I'll come to that. Okay, coming to the other side. Actually, you have the keyless entry option switch here also in the passenger door. Then, oh my god, it's noisy out there. Okay, come here. You get your glove box here, AC vent, and that close are opening. Here in the right side, you get a window controller. Then you can lock from this side also. You lock, everything will be locked. Yeah, that's a huge space down here also. Then up right here you get a mirror. Then here, if this one is on, whenever you open the door, the lights will be turning on. See? Yeah, that's it. And here also some storage space is there. And this one is driver's shield. Yeah, coming to the back, you get the window controllers, and here the handle, and the handle is covered of black materials. And here you get a huge space. Actually that seat is back little words. And here two AC vents are there. Here storage pockets, and there too in that seat. And see, small lights up there whenever you open the door. That's it for the back. That's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe my channel, get notified whenever I upload a video. That's it. Stay tuned.